Okay, so when it's 30 plus degrees in the day and it's just so hot, I mean it's lovely, but I've decided I need to make a plunge pool, somewhere I can just sit in some water to cool down, maybe just have a rinse off after getting all hot and sweaty, and that would just be amazing during the daytime. So yeah, that's an idea. I'll work on that one. Give me a few days, but yeah, let's see if I can get something sorted out. Oh, I can't wait. The thought of it just makes me feel good. All right, cheers for now. Yeah, also you might be pleased to see I've got some safety boots that are not fur lined and up to my knees, so these are much cooler. Get some air to my legs, which is nice. Maybe a bit of sun as well, which I could do with. But I can't wear these when the grass and the weeds and the brambles are all sort of 3 foot high. But now made some progress, and most of those are now sort of close to ground level. So my boots here are just perfect now for walking over the short grass and the little stumps and things there are while I'm working. I'll take them off, of course, and put on the flip-flops or something lighter when I'm not working, but for now these are just the job. So yeah, you might see these in future videos. Thanks for watching. Welcome back, folks. Well, I'm looking for more jobs to do while it's not too hot, and small jobs that won't take too long. And I found one just here. This patch of dirt here, this is where I previously dug like a trial hole to see what the ground is like. This is about 6 meters from the corner of the building over there. And I went down a meter or so, and the ground was quite good, quite firm and solid after 400 mil down from the surface. But beside that, we've got a pile of cuttings, logs, bits of tree, all sorts, and there's a few more scattered over here as well. So I want to come through this area with a strimmer, but I can't do it really with that wood there and in the way, so got to clear that first. So that's my next little job, and it won't take long to do, but one of those things needs doing anyway. Sad news though, I'm afraid, for the little kittens that were making noises a couple of days ago, well 3 days ago now. I've not heard them at all since that first day, which is quite a worry for them. Yeah, so that's quite a sad thing. I don't know whether they've been moved, whether they're still okay but keeping quiet, or what's going on with them really, but yeah, it's a bit of a sad situation, I think. Yeah, this is the other angle, looking at the same corner of the barn. So I've got some clearing to do here as well, which I've left until the situation here with the kittens is a bit clearer. But I think I'll get round to doing this in the next day or two, unless I hear the kittens again and have a reason to not do that. So yeah, sad news, but it may not be in the end. We have to see. So let's get that little pile there tidied up and cleared away, then we can get the strimmer through later on. Okay, good. That's another job done. Let me show you from another angle. Okay, so this is the patch of dirt that we saw earlier, and this is the cleared patch behind it, which down to ground level still needs trimming over, of course, but that's a good job done and didn't take too long to do. Still got a few more over here to clear up as well now, so let's crack on with that. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is to pick out and separate all the pieces of branch and cut trees that might be useful for burning. Not allowed to burn it now, but if I put some sausages on it and call it a barbecue, I'm allowed to do that, I believe. So I'm just separating all the wood which might be useful for burning for a little fire, shouldn't say fire, for a barbecue, and hopefully that'll be useful at some stage. All the other twiggy bits and fresh sort of green vegetation I can cut down and put on another pile. Got plenty of those nearby I can put it onto, but that's most of the woody pieces picked up. Just going to have a rake through, see if there's any more I can see, and then the next stage will be to get the strimmer on it and just to try and get some of those nettles and grasses and other weeds back down to the ground again. So let's have a quick look around. But I think I've got most of what's useful, and what's left is probably just waste that I can put on another pile somewhere. So let's have a quick rake through and have another look. Okay, I think that should do us for that patch now. I think it'll be safe enough to put the strimmer over, at least at a higher level above the ground to start with, and that then usually allows me to see any other obstructions that there might be in the ground below. So yeah, the wood I've picked up, it's not special wood or anything, but I think it's come off a fruit tree, so it is quite hard, and I think that is quite good for burning. All the smaller bits and pieces I've thrown on the pile, but yeah, the wood I've picked up might be worth putting aside somewhere just for a barbecue, because it's a better quality of wood, so it should burn a bit better. Okay, brilliant. Well, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again very soon. Have a great day, and thank you for your support. Take care now. Cheers.